the data virtualization in class 5. So today class we will going to discuss about that three graphs. One is the rect plot and LM plot and joint plot. These are the three graphs we are going to discuss. First one is the rect plot. The rect plot is the method SNS.rect plot. This method is used to plot the data and linear regression model to fit regression. So there are some exclusive options in this SNS.rect plot. So which can estimate the regression model. Okay. So this you can syntax for the SNS rect plot is you can give the x-axis, y-axis, and data set we need to give and with the rect equal to false. We need these parameters we need to pass and second one is the LM plot. LM plot is used to draw a scattered plot onto a phased grid. Okay, so this is nothing but the scattered plot is there. There is a scattered graph. So this LM plot is used to display the data as a categorical format. Okay, so that's why we can call this is also act as a scatter plot. So that's why this method used to try scatter plot and we face it grid. Okay, so this is another C1 LM plot. And coming to the next one is the joint plot. So to draw this plot we have two variables. One is univariant and bivariant variables. So using these variables it act as a interface to join the grid class. Okay, so we can call it as a joint plot here. So this the parameters here we can use the x-axis, y-axis, and data set. This is the syntax for this joint plot. So we write some code in Jupyter notebook using the Python how to represent the data in these graphs. First we will take the rect plot. First of all, we need to import the libraries. Import pandas as pd. Import numpy import rest import plot take plot plot as build and import for SNS. So these are the libraries we imported in sorry here I written wrong code. Check. Yeah, now it is good. Then we need to import the data set. So data set I am using the sample superstore. This is the data set I am currently using. So here we can use this data set. We can represent the data using graphs. Okay, so this is the data set. I am reading this variable. I am taking one variable and reading the data set here. pd.read underscore excel and we need to give the path name here and file name we need to give. So the file name should be the file name. We will represent only some rows only, head rows only. So this is the data we are importing data set sample superstore.xls. Okay, so here coming to the first one is what is the rect plot test. The rect plot used to drive this plot, so it can use it to plot the data and regression model fit. So this reg plot is estimates the it contains some exclusive options which can estimate the regression model. Okay, so syntax for this reg plot is equal to I'm taking sales as x-axis and the y-axis I'm taking profit and underscore break equal to false. So I'm just getting. Oh, sorry. We need to represent this variable, so that's why it was giving must pass a data variable here. We have parameter, we haven't passed the variable here, so that's why you need to keep for data equal to df. Okay, now we can run this. See, this is a break plot. The sales is we have taken x-axis and y we have taken as profit as y-axis. Okay, so coming to the next one is what is the next one is the LM plot. LM plot is used to draw a scattered plot onto a facet grid. Okay, so here how do we take this LM plot? We use the SNS.lm plot taking x equal to sales and y equal to profit and the underscore equal to false and data equal to df and segment a column equal to segment and can we equal to category. So these are the parameters we are passing this LM plot. So the LM plot is to draw a scatter plot on the facet grid. Okay, so it will display the scattered plot. This we are passing this with x-axis is sales, y-axis profit, and fit reg equal false. Data I am taking df. So you can see the column is the segment and view category. Category wise, it has the scattered plot has the segment. Only some segment we are taking customers. One another graph it is corporate, another is home office. The category wise, it has been displayed here. One niche office of edge technology. So this is for LM plot. And coming to the next one is SNS dot joint plot. Joint plot. What is the syntax? What is the syntax of joint? This is SNS joint plot. This y-axis and data. So this joint plot is used to used for so when you go to the other one, it is a to draw. It depends on the two variables. One is a univariate and bivariant variables. Using this variables, it can be used as an interface to join the grid class. Okay, so this is syntax for the join class. X-axis we are taking as sales and y-axis we are taking as profit and data equal to df. So taking time to display the graph. See, this is the joint plot. So x-axis we are taking sales and y-axis is profit and the data has represented in like this. Okay. So Please, please let me know the doubts in comments. I will give the reply on next class. So till then, please subscribe my channel to get more videos and like and share your comment. Yeah. Thank you, friends.